How to recharge Amazon Prime. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recharge your Amazon Prime. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, open up your Amazon. You can head over to amazon.com and use the website as well. After you do that, just log into your associated Amazon Prime's account. And after you're there, you should just be on this page right here. You can head over to the three lines on the bottom right and then head over to the account option. You can directly head over to this account option as well. And after you're here, you should find your orders, your account settings. Now under your account settings, you should see an option that says Manage Prime Membership. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you should see an option that says Continue Shopping. Now, after you've signed into your account, there should be an option to recharge your Amazon Prime. So all you need to do is use your payment method to pay for your account, and that is basically it. And that is how you can recharge your Amazon Prime. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And also, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Bye bye, take care.